Imagine launching your book to a flurry of glowing reviews and early buzz, all before your official release. Wondering how top authors pull this off? The secret is mastering ARC Advanced Reader Copy Strategy. Stick around for actionable tactics, pro tools, and a hidden gem platform that makes the whole process easier for authors at every stage. What's an ARC and why are they game changers? An advanced reader copy, ARC, is a pre-publication version of your book distributed to selected readers, reviewers, and influencers ahead of launch day. ARCs spark early buzz, provide honest feedback, and stack up reviews that can dramatically improve visibility and sales from day one. Kickstart your ARC campaign. Getting the right readers, define your ARC goals. Do you need reviews for Amazon? Early feedback from superfans? Social media buzz with hashtag BookTalk and hashtag Bookstagram? Knowing your aims shapes the rest of your strategy. Build your team. Start a list of core supporters. Think newsletter subscribers and readers who love your genre. Use sign-up forms months before launch to recruit committed ARC readers. For wider reach, join communities like Booktasters, where you'll find readers actively looking for ARCs and authors building their launch team in one spot. Proven ways to distribute ARCs and build buzz email. Your superfans. Offer early access to loyal followers. They become your dependable review crew. Tap reviewer platforms and communities. Booktasters connects authors with ARC reviewers ready to post early, reliable reviews across platforms like Goodreads and Amazon. Platforms like BookSirens or Booksprout can also help, but Booktasters specializes in trusted community engagement. Leverage social media, announce ARC signups on Instagram, Twitter, and with genre hashtags. Engage Bookstagrammers and Booktokers for fast buzz. Network with book bloggers and clubs. Personalized pitches to bloggers and lively group reads with book clubs multiplies reviewers and word-of-mouth buzz. Host targeted giveaways. Run contests for ARCs to energize pre-release conversation and grow your reader list for future campaigns. Keep it simple for everyone. Use platforms like Booktasters, BookFunnel, or StoryOrigin to distribute digital ARCs and track reviewer engagement. Set clear deadlines and expectations. Provide a review date and suggest posting on Amazon, Goodreads, and Booktasters for maximum impact. Always follow up politely, thanking everyone and highlighting standout reviewers. Relationship building matters. Track reviews in a spreadsheet and reward your top ARC supporters with early access or special shoutouts in your next project. Timing and launch day strategy. Start recruiting ARC readers at least 2 to 3 months out for best results. Send the ARCs out early so reviewers can post feedback right as your book releases. Schedule your review requests and reminders with care, aiming for reviews to land during your first week of sales, the most critical time for Amazon's algorithm to notice and promote your book. Pro tip. When launch day arrives, follow up with RC readers to thank them and share the buy link, making it easy for word of mouth to keep building. Resources to supercharge your ARC strategy, Booktasters community. The simplest way for both new and experienced authors to match with responsible, enthusiastic ARC reviewers who post across major platforms. Email tools, MailChimp or ConvertKit for organizing your early readers. ARC platforms. Consider integrating BookFunnel and BookSirens as your audience grows. Tracker spreadsheet. Use Sheets or Notion to monitor reviews, deadlines, and reader engagement. Graphics, Canva for crafting eye-catching callouts for social media posts. Ready to put your ARC strategy into action? Join Booktasters and start your ARC campaign now. Comment below with your top ARC fear or launch tip, and let's help each other succeed. Subscribe for more launch strategies and check the description for a detailed ARC management checklist and all the links to get started. Remember, with the right ARC strategy, your book gets the attention it deserves from day one and beyond.